Hello there, dropshippers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the ultimate guide to dropshipping product research, your key to finding winning products that can skyrocket your e-commerce business. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. This way you will uncover even more secrets on how to become successful. P.S. Make sure to stay till the end of the video, where we share 2 very good secrets to becoming successful as a dropshipper. First things first, why is product research so important? Well, it's simple. Your success in dropshipping hinges on the products you sell. By conducting thorough research, you can identify trending items with high demand and low competition, setting yourself up for maximum profit potential. Step 1. Understand your audience. Before diving into product research, take the time to define your target audience. What are their interests, pain points, and buying behaviors? By understanding your audience, you can pinpoint products that resonate with their needs and preferences. Step 2. Utilize dropshipping platforms. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and CJ Dropshipping are treasure troves of product opportunities. Browse through categories, filter by order volume and reviews, and look for products with e-packet shipping options for faster delivery times. Step 3. Analyze product metrics. When evaluating potential products, pay attention to key metrics such as demand, competition, and profit margins. Tools like Google Trends, Jungle Scout, and Salesforce can provide valuable insights into product trends and market saturation. Step 4. Assess profit potential. Calculate your potential profit margins by factoring in product costs, shipping fees, and marketing expenses. Aim for products with a healthy markup that still offer competitive prices to attract customers. Now let's dive into some examples and case studies to illustrate these steps in action. Example 1. Trending product. Imagine you discover a trending smartwatch on AliExpress with high customer ratings and a competitive price point. After analyzing the market demand and profit margins, you decide to list the smartwatch on your dropshipping store. With targeted marketing efforts and effective branding, you're able to generate substantial sales and profit margins, making it a lucrative addition to your product lineup. Example 2. Niche product. Alternatively, let's say you identify a niche product like eco-friendly reusable straws on Oberlo. Despite moderate competition, you recognize the growing demand for sustainable alternatives among environmentally conscious consumers. By highlighting the product's unique selling points and leveraging social media influencers within the eco-friendly niche, you're able to carve out a profitable niche market for your dropshipping business. In conclusion, mastering dropshipping product research is the key to unlocking success in the e-commerce world. You can uncover winning products that drive sales and maximize profits. So roll up your sleeves, start researching, and watch your dropshipping business soar to new heights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful dropshipping business. Until next time, happy researching and happy selling.